What is going on, YouTube family, and welcome back to another edition of the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. And of course, I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's up, everybody?
She's so nice. Like, what the fuck else about fight? Anyway, welcome to the Trader Shop, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tuesday, July 16th. Year of our Lord, and it looks like the markets had retail sales in the pre-market today, so we got a little bit of a jolt, but we weren't able to break over some pretty key levels. So gonna be watching the market pretty closely today, see if we can get some type of relief from all of this buying, right? Like, I never thought I'd say that. I'm really tired of owning the market. Like, I really wish the volatility would come back and kind of bring us down, but we'll see. Never know. We're gonna play what's in front of us, but as you guys know, before we start the show and we get into the pre-market plan, we always like to start by letting you guys know that there's 3 ways you can support the channel. The first, tip the motherfucking barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Second, go watch all the videos on the channel that my man Justin has put out for you guys. If you're in here, you're most likely trading prop, right? So even if you're not, right, and you want to try trading prop, Apex, Top Step, My Funded Futures, more videos to come in the future. Justin has broken down the pros, the cons, what contract size, where to look for things, all that good stuff in all of those videos. Nice educational videos on the channel. Go watch those videos. And in addition to the Apex code that's scrolling down below, if you would like to support the channel, you can use the code that's scrolling down below, or you can go watch those videos and use the code that is in the description of each and every one of those videos. Last but not least, if you would like to join the community that we currently are growing, it is at a discounted price, but it won't stay there forever, right? Right now, it's the lowest it will ever be. It's $15 per week. It's $40 per month. If you guys are interested in learning how to read order flow, if you're interested in learning how to read market structure, if you're interested in learning how to incorporate macro time or learning my personalized chessboard thesis, join the Discord right now for $40 a month and $15 a week. We also do sponsorships once a month. Just reminded me because my boy just jumped into the chat. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into the pre-market plan. Let's start this day off right. Give you guys something to look at the market. What's going on, Yvonne? We see you in the building. All right, so let's jump over here and let's put some charts up and let's jump down. And we'll start with the NASDAQ because I know that's what the majority of people are trading. I too will, dibble and dabble in the NASDAQ from time to time, right? Honestly, I copied and pasted this plan from yesterday and just changed the levels because, nothing's really changed for me. We're just kind of at the low end of the range, all right? So the current conditions, we're ranging inside of a bullish retracement, right? Or technically this is a bearish retracement, right? But anyway, we're bullish above 20,507, which is essentially the low of this range, right? We're obviously bullish much lower than that, right? Like we're bullish all the way through here, but currently until we break out of this particular range, we're bullish above 507 and we're bearish as long as we stay below previous day high of 797.25. After breaking major highs and lows, the market appears to be in a macro and a micro range. So if we zoom out, just like I did yesterday, you'll see that we're also in a macro range, which makes sense that on the micro, we're ranging as well. So how do you play ranges, right? You short the highs, you long the lows. That's essentially what we're looking to do inside of this little chessboard I have here. Primarily, I'm a supply and demand trader, so I just created a way to miniaturize supply and demand in the form of a chessboard. You have to join the Discord to understand fully. But if not, just know that this is my little box that I'm looking to trade into, right? So at the height of this, I'm looking to short weak rallies at the top of the range, 732 through 797, and look to short down to the bottom of the range at 575 to 505.75. Now, because we're starting technically in the middle of this range, now, I don't necessarily view it as the middle, and I'm going to show you why. Usually when I draw these ranges, I start with the PM session time, right? 1 o'clock, which is right about here, right? So theoretically, we're not really in the center. We're at the top of the new range. But I was anticipating the market being able to get above here, but it doesn't look like we have. So I'm going to draw it like that. I'm just going to pay attention to how we react to the now top of the range. And if that's the case, that's going to tell me that the market is starting to trade lower, right? As the volatility index starts to rise, I expect us to continue to reject and start to trade down lower. All right. So bullish, I'm looking for buyers to defend the bottom of the range, because either way to go right now, this is the current bottom, 575 through 505. And I want to look to long the market targeting the top of the range, right? And that would be the original top, right? At 732 through 79725. Okay. Now to the extremes. Now this is where I'm really looking to participate in price, right? So there's multiple extremes today, and I don't know how the market's going to deliver price, but this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the 4-hour demand at 448 through 33675 to be tested today. So I'm going to be looking to long the market, targeting first ultimately the 4-hour supply at 822. But first I'm going to target the low of the range, right? The middle, and then the height of the range, and then ultimately the 4-hour supply, right? Last but not least, the bearish plan all the way at the top of the extreme. If we do start trading higher early in the morning, then I'm going to be looking for sellers to have a weak, or buyers to have a weak rally up through, look to short weak rallies into 822 through 983, and look to target first previous day high coming back down, the bottom of the range at 575, 505, 75. Essentially, if we just zoom out and we take all of this off the charts, right, and we just look at price for what it is, right, because ultimately you just want to understand what price has been doing, right? If we take all of this off our chart, right, we take all indicators off, we just go down to bare bones, right, and we just look at price for what it's doing, okay? Essentially, this is the high of the week, or this is the ultimate high, right? Until price breaks above 20,981, all of this is bearish character. However, on this side, this is the low of this particular range. So everything above here is bullish. So you ask yourself, until this low breaks, all of this to the right is bullish character, but it's bullish character inside of bearish character to the left. So until this low breaks, we're looking for longs. As long as we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows, there's no reason to look to short the market below this level, okay? You can short down to this level, because essentially now, if we even get closer to price, see, I like to do this without any of the other distractions. I just want to show you what price is doing. When we get closer to price, everything here from 20,795 down is bearish, and everything from here, 504, up to roughly 653 is bullish, right? When you start to break the market down into a little bit of a pie, you can start to understand what you should be doing currently. So currently, we're in bullish character. So until we get below this low, this should continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So those are my thoughts on the market. I hope that helps, guys. Questions, comments, concerns, please let us know. And Justin, please bring us into the ES sector.
Okay. Window. There we go. All right. So for ES, the way that I kind of broke it down in half, especially because we've been ranging overnight. So the overnight high was really strong resistance, and we were able to break above it, but we still haven't really closed above it yet. So as long as we're below the pre-market high / true day, I want to look to be bearish back down into these lows, the low of day. As long as we're above pre-market high and we look to retest pre-market high and it holds, I want to be bullish back up into the highs that we established yesterday, because we've tapped the same area like 3 different times, and every time we come up here we end up failing like Hobbs is saying. So I'd want to long it up into the highs, target kind of these wick areas, and look for potentially the break and retest to go higher and break out into new all-time highs. But if we don't get that, that's fine too. But after we long into this, I'm looking to be bearish up here. So I basically have 2 options on the day. Either I can wait until price gets up into these levels to short the market back down, or I can play the scalp into this area and then look to short it afterwards. And then the same thing goes to the low. If we do reject this area and come down, which honestly I don't think we will after the news that we had in the morning, but if we do end up rejecting this area and coming back down, we can look to long off the lows, and we can look to short off of these pre-market levels back down to here. And this would be a little bit of a longer hold just because it's a little bit longer. I was doing the 50% retracements this morning for the overall range as well, because we're in a much larger range from about, 621 to about these highs here. And you can see that the 50% of this range sits down here at these lows for the larger range as well. So that's what I was talking about. We're in a small range within a much larger range right now. And we're kind of playing within the 50% of the larger range, almost like we're I wouldn't say we're flagging up here, but we're definitely consolidating in this larger range. So we'll have to see what happens with that. Also, it almost looks like we could be putting in a head and shoulders pattern as well, but I wouldn't go too far as to say it just yet, but definitely could be a possibility. So we'll have to see what happens, but I think the market is starting to soften up a little bit, especially after what Powell said yesterday about the market, about them cutting rates, saying if they wait until the market gets to, or saying if they wait for the interest rates to come down to 2%, that'll be too late for the Fed. So I expect them to cut those interest rates by if not this meeting coming up on the 31st, which I believe is the meeting, then definitely in September they're definitely going to be cutting interest rates. So I think the market's starting to soften up a little bit. I think that's why we're seeing we're not seeing as large of rallies coming in. Bulls are still defending on the pullbacks, but the rallies seem to be getting smaller and smaller the higher we go up. So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now for the market.
Yeah, and then to kind of support that thesis, the VIX is starting to wake up a little bit down here too. So I'm not full on bearish by any means, but I definitely have my radars up, right? Because I'm like, things are just looking a little different. The higher we go, things are just looking a little bit different. I still think the Bulls have the Bears by the freaking, balls or whatever, but you can hope and pray, right? You can hope and pray. But ultimately, you just play what's in front of you. You play the cards that are given to you to start the day, and it is what it is. Right now, the Bulls seem to be in control, so that's what I'm going to be looking to trade until further notice. Looking at other instruments, there's let me take this off because this shit's gonna bother. Looking at the rest of the market, the Amazon has recovered all of its losses from yesterday. The Dow is just starting to rocket ship. Gold pulled back for a hot second, and now it's finding more and more buyers. So I just don't see a reason to be bearish. At some point we're gonna get our opportunity, but I think it's gonna be more of the same as yesterday, where we start off at the high, we end up going higher and higher and higher, and then we get some aggressive pullback. Or maybe we don't, because I tell you right now, the Dow Jones is not pulling back. This thing is going for all-time highs today. I would be shocked if we didn't take out all-time highs today on the Dow Jones. It's less than 100 points away. The Dow can move 100 points in 5 minutes. So I'd be shocked if we didn't take all-time highs today.
Yeah.
The only thing that's kind of taking its time, in my opinion, is the NASDAQ. Everything else is really, really close to all-time highs. The NASDAQ is like 300 points away. So I think the NASDAQ is due for a really big day. And it may just be, again, like I said before in the top-down analysis, the NASDAQ could be lagging because it's awaiting next week's earnings, right? Big earnings are coming next week for Microsoft, Apple. Like tech is going to be reporting huge. But this week, all of the earnings for banks are reporting, and then the industrial sector is just strong. So the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 are kind of giving us a prelim to what I think the NASDAQ is going to do if these reports continue to come bullish. Like, I honestly, as much as I want to believe the market wants to sell off because of the interest rates, like I just think the market's not pumping only because interest rates. Like, I think that we're in a bubble, right? I think that's a huge part of the reason why we continue to rally, is because the bubble is it's being fueled by, AI, and like maybe Trump has something to do with it too. I don't know, but I just think that if we were gonna sell off, like there would be some signs of it. And we just, if you just zoom out to like the higher time frames, there's just no signs of a sell-off, right? Like there's like the monthly candle looks so bullish, right? The freaking weekly candle looks so bullish. It's like, bro, like I want us to sell off so bad, I really do. But until I start seeing some signals, like I just can't. I can't. So hopefully we get a nice sell-off this morning. If not, it's good. YM is definitely in an area where I would entertain the schmorts. The schmorts.
Let's see. Do we have a... Oh. I wonder if TradingView's got a nice one now. Nope, their shit is ugly.
Doing that thing again, Jay.
No, I was just looking to see. I was looking to see if they actually had a nice earning calendar on TradingView, but their thing is ugly. I like Earning Whispers calendar because it's much easier to read. I don't have an overall.
Yeah, I was about to say I don't look at anything but Earnings Whisper. That's it. It's just real clean.
Yeah, I was hoping they had a nicer one, but they definitely do not.
What's wrong with the one on, like, why did you want something other than Earnings Whisper? Just out of curiosity.
Oh no, I just Googled it, but Earning Whispers calendar is a lot nicer. But you got to sign in unless you use their
just go to their Twitter page.
Yeah. But I didn't want their weekly. I wanted the monthly. I don't know if I can find their monthly. Let's see.
All right, we got about 12 minutes until the open. I'm going to be watching how the YM trades up here at these highs. I really like if we can maybe trade a little higher in the 730, or we start to reject here. I'm watching it on the smaller time frames between the 15 and the 30 second. I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing up here, but I'm gonna give it to the open. Yesterday we got pretty bullish at the open. If we drop down, then I'll just be looking to play the retest, but it's looking pretty weak up here in the smaller time frames.
Yeah, okay.
Good morning, people in the chat. Good morning, Mr. Yvonne, Void, Prayer Kid. iBomb, good morning. Everything is well. Good morning, John. Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. On Thursday, Netflix has earnings. That kicks off the Tech Week earnings on Thursday. You know, Netflix likes to go crazy during their earnings. They've had some pretty massive moves for earnings. So we got Netflix on Wednesday, and then Tesla's the next Tuesday.
Good morning, John. The other John.
And I believe I think that's it. Yeah, the rest of tech doesn't look like they're on the schedule. I don't know. I guess we'll have to wait until next week. I don't see them though.
What? Just go to TradingView and click on the. You'll see. It's like it's next week. Just click on each individual stock and it'll tell you the earnings in the report at the bottom right. All of them reported the same week. They're going to be reported next week.
Yeah, it's weird that unless I'm missing the picture. Yeah, they just don't have the pictures on here for them. They only have like 9 pictures on there. Oh, okay. For whatever reason, when they put these out, Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft hadn't put their schedule out yet for which days they were going to be. They hadn't confirmed it yet for whatever reason. Even though I think they do them on the same days every single month or every single earnings month anyway. So that's why Earnings Whisper didn't have it on there. Yeah, because even when you look at the calendar on for Apple, like their earnings isn't showing up. They normally have a little icon in the bottom that shows when their earnings is gonna be. It's not even there.
I'm ready to trade.
I'm waiting for the market to open. We're not at an area anyway, and on NQ for me. It's weird. Yeah, YM is in supply. Let me see. I gotta look at Hobbs Bookmap though. I can't trade it without it. Nah, it's I need Bookmap. It helps.
This shit's so ready. This shit's so ready. It's like, just get me to open. Just get me to open.
What are these not
I think they might try to try to pop it back up first though. I think they rally it back up first. They did just break that low on the 32nd though.
Yeah, I'll wait for them to take out some lows in the 1 minute.
Yeah, NQ's ready to come down too, looks like. We got some strong liquidity sitting up there at the 700s. I'd like to see us go up to 730, kind of like we did yesterday. Tap the middle of that supply zone and then start coming down. Where's midnight price on this thing? They damn sure didn't care about midnight price yesterday. It was like, hell with midnight. This shit way down here. 570. Just consolidating up here. Yeah. And with souls up here. Let's see if they get up.
Where is this?
Give me something. Give me a sweet. Give me something. You know, YM ain't gonna do nothing until right at open. That's the thing about YM. YM be like, nah, we gonna wait right till open and then we going. Another failure. Let's see what we're gonna do.
Y'all change the picture for the video? No. What's she talking about?
Video.
I don't know.
Who said that?
Your wife.
Change the picture for what video?
Maybe she's talking about your camera. Your camera angle changed.
No, she knows that. I don't know
No.
what she's. I don't know what she's talking about. Picture for the video.
Oh, maybe the background picture, but that's been changed for a while.
Yeah,
Like a long time.
But you know, she don't really pay attention to. She just be listening.
Yeah, that's true. Want to see 2679 on NASDAQ? Oh, you want to see his push? Push up a bit. As long as we're below the pre-market high, I'm bearish on NQ. Oh, did I the picture for the live? Oh, you're talking about the? Oh, did I make a mistake? I might have made a mistake. I got like 3 different versions of the live stream thumbnail, and every now and again I'll mess up and click the wrong one. It's very rare that happens, but every now and again because they look similar. It's like, yeah, that's probably what happened. I'll change it later. It's not a big deal. Unless it's the one where Hobbs' shoulder looks cut off, but I think I did.
Yeah, he's
pretty sure that one got
like handicap. I was like, bro, if you don't take this shit down.
yeah. Shay, you're talking about the thumbnail.
I was hot.
He was pissed. I thought it was a good picture.
Yeah.
I just had to finagle it to make it work. You know what I'm saying? I thought the picture was fine. I think it looks good. It's the market in the background. Yeah, I think all the thumbnail pictures are the same background though. I think it's our normal. It should be our normal background picture. It should be. Let me see.
I am looking pretty weak up here.
Oh, nah, that's a regular picture that we've been using. I think you just never noticed.
I tell you, my wife don't be paying attention.
Yeah, if you look at all the live streams, they all look the same.
Just be talking.
There's no picture of y'all. Oh wait, what? Maybe it's showing up differently for you because on my screen it looks the same as all of them, but I don't know. Let me see. Let me go to the channel. Yeah, YM's trying to
oh yeah, you got the complete wrong image.
Oh, that's really strange because in the studio it shows the right one, but on the live it doesn't. Huh? That's weird. Let me go to. I see what you're saying. Let me see. Yeah, that's weird. Even in here on the thumbnail, it's got the right thumbnail. I don't know why YouTube did that. YouTube is being stupid. I see what you're saying though. I saw it. Yeah. I don't know why I did that. Oh, look at that rejection on YM. That's what we wanted to see right there. All right, YM. Now just come back to me.
Now let's sweep this high. Now let's come in.
Coming down. YM ascending though.
Yeah, this is exactly what it did yesterday. Exactly what it did yesterday. In the 731. See how we react there. Yep. Right on schedule. I love YM. Now let's see if we fail on this retest here. See how we tapped right into 731 and failed? Now I just want to see a failure on the 32nd. I want to see us continue to push down and then fail, and then I'll look to get short. See if this, I don't want to see this put in a new high right here. I want to see the bears take over up here. They do not look like they want to take over. Still watching. No, watching YM only.
I'm watching NQ's tape.
But Justin has NQ's tape up though.
Yeah, looks like we sold down on NQ, but we're still finding buyers at that low. Still holding, but can't get above that overnight high. YM is still holding as well for now. Still finding buyers at the lows.
I'll test shorts here. Oh, YM. Test shorts here, put my stops above high. We'll still look aggressive at the lows, but
Actually, looks like we're holding. Yeah, we tapped 50%.
we'll give it a shot.
Might want to go higher. What happened to the music?
Music's still playing.
You turn the music off?
Nope, music's still playing. Can you hear me?
Whoa.
Justin, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay, it's something wrong with your shit. So,
Oh.
because I was just talking to you, you couldn't hear me. He was like, "What happened to the music?" I was like, "Music's still playing." What happened to
The
the
music's
music?
still
Music's
playing?
still playing. Yeah, it's still playing.
Oh, yeah, I can't hear it no more.
All right, I'm short 711 on YM. Stops are at 738.
Oh, there you
Looking
go.
for the break of 663. We can break 663, and I'm gonna be looking for a target of 570. Potentially 512. I want to see this area break down. I like the liquidity sweep we got. I like the fact that we started breaking down, but we need to break this low. I understand that we haven't completely broken structure, so this is kind of an early entry. So the stops are at the high. If we break above the high, then I'll just be wrong.
VIX is trying to push up here a little bit, trying to get a little selly here. Push up, but when I say push up, I mean the market's going to get selly if it can push up. It looks like NQ's breaking above that pre-market high. And YM.
Yeah, Apex is working, Dr. Jason.
Yep, there goes NQ.
YM may take us into this next macro too.
Oh, yeah. The only reason why I wouldn't have been the shorts weren't looking as good is because that wick that came in on at 8:30, that wick was a super bullish wick. So we came back down, we retested that inverse head and shoulders and came right back up. So we were looking pretty bullish, but the stocks, well, Nvidia is pretty flat right now, so.
Yeah, stops are at the high. If they stop me out, it's fine. I'm still going to be looking for shorts in this area. I'm not getting long up here, so it's just not going to happen. So the only thing I'm looking for is shorts up here. In order for me to be wrong, they need to put in a new high. If they can't put in a new high, I'm going to be right. If they put in a new high, I'm still looking for shorts. That's the way I'm. Scott Patterson. Sorry, Hobbs. Why you say sorry? What you sorry about, Scott?
Why you say it like that?
What do you mean? I said, what are you sorry about, Scott?
Yeah, no, it was just the way you said it was funny.
Okay. Yeah, we just can't. We just keep failing at the high. So as long as we continue to fail at the high, I think we'll be okay. But if we take the high, then I'll still be looking for shorts until the market proves it can trade higher. We haven't taken the low either, but we're putting in a lower high. We just need to take that low, and then once we take that low, I think we'll be okay. But yeah. 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 You gotta get up early, man. Gotta get up early. Nope. Money ain't sleeping, neither am I. We're coming back up to these highs, looking aggressively bullish. All right, I'm stopped out at 38. Still looking for shorts until the market decides it wants to break that all-time high and continue higher.
Yeah, NQ's also looking pretty weak here.
Yeah, and YM does not look weak. This motherfucker came up out of that low. It couldn't break that low, so it was like, oh nope, we're coming for that stop. Again, if NQ wants to take all-time highs, it's just gonna leave without me. There's no way I'm sure I'm longing this market all the way up here. It's not gonna happen.
Here comes YM yet again.
Here comes NQ, here comes ES. Everybody's pushing. So we could be, I'm not going to continue to trade it short. That was the early entry for me. And I still think that there's an opportunity here, but I'm going to wait till the low breaks. But it just looks so juicy up here for another early entry. But NQ's taking it to the streets.
Yeah, they're taking souls over here on NQ.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put my hands off the wheel for now. I'm gonna wait. Just reading the tape. We're still looking kind of bullish here, so I'm just gonna wait it out. I took the one loss, and I'll wait.
Yeah, NQ. I'm looking to short NQ once we get up to 727. So until then, I'll just wait. That's the start at the top of the range. So
yeah, we'll give it till. I'll wait till the 950 macro. See how we trade inside of that. Yeah, that was the first macro. We came out of that thing like a rocket ship. So I'll wait to see what we do on the other side of 950. Still looking pretty bullish. ES is pushing into its supply zone on the 1 hour.
damn. It means YM might not even have to get up there. NQ is clearly much stronger than ES. ES is much stronger than NQ.
Yeah, gold is fucking ascending. Gold is going ham right now.
Oh, it's because Google's going crazy right now to the upside.
793 is your target or what? Per kid. Nice. Yeah, man, we'll fix it later. Nobody's worried about that right now. Try to trade.
Nvidia's catching a little bit of a bid now as well.
Mm-hmm.
Market wants up. And hell, ES might come through and go back to test all-time highs again. Move
Yeah, we came into that macro bullish. We left bearish, but that next candle was like psych. Like shut the fuck up. Yeah, YM's pushing. And again, it's okay to be wrong, right? Like you're not gonna win every trade. I mean, you could try, but you're just gonna add pressure to yourself. It's okay to be wrong and reevaluate. Like I took a loss, now I'm just reevaluating because maybe the market wants higher before it goes lower. But the way that I want to trade is I'm not really looking to get long up here. So if it's going to continue to rally, then I'll take the L and just wait until there's another opportunity to get short. Freaking gold is sending right now. Jeez. I think that there's an opportunity to get short. I'm just going to wait until I get a little bit more confirmation. One thing that I could have waited on that previous trade is I could have waited until we broke below 664. I didn't wait, and I was in profit for a little bit, but nothing that I would have been interested in taking. I would have rather the market just take my stop loss. To invalidate me.
Pretty slow open today.
Very, very slow. Very, very slow. Which is why I also now I'm looking for 723 to break on YM. Yeah, like bring it, bro. I want to see 723 break because or I really need to see 678 break, honestly. I really think sellers are up here, but they just keep getting bought up. So more buyers.
Maybe he said sorry, Hobbs, because he went long on YM. Maybe that's why. I never said it.
Oh, did he say something?
Just thinking. 47.93 upper targets, runners doing great for YM. Nice.
Yeah. Very nice trade. Yeah, somebody's got to be wrong. Today it was me. I'm cool.
7.9 target hit on NQ. Nice. Ooh, damn. Yeah, right now we're just in the middle of this range and the market is playing straight games on NQ. But on ES, but on ES though, we're rejecting the high. So when we rejected it, what's up? Yeah, that rejection came at the ES high, so.
Yeah, I want to see us go up inside of this 950 mark. That's what I want to see. In order for me to take it short, I want to see us go higher inside of this 950 back. Oh, YM is pushing while ES NQ is coming down.
Just shorted 671, took profits and made runners. Nice. Yeah, because even though ES just came down pretty aggressively, it's rallying right back up, and it didn't break any type of structure. It's coming right back up to these highs aggressively.
Yeah, and the tape looks extremely aggressive for YM, and I'm sure it looks the same for NQ.
Yeah,
YM is pushing. It has no desire to come down. I think they want a new all-time high. They just broke a new all-time high, by the way. That was a new all-time high break right there for YM. Pull to the downside, or I don't think we broke it yet. No. Okay. Yeah, YM is going hammer time right now. No, thank you.
ES is rejecting that supply really, really nicely right now. Came back up and rejected immediately. NQ looking pretty weak as well. Is rejecting.
NQ is dumping.
Yeah, these bears are in trouble.
Okay.
Scott said, "Sorry, wasn't being rude, just banter. All respect, Hobbs."
Oh no, I didn't know you were. I didn't take it as rude. I just didn't know what you meant when you said sorry. I didn't know why you were apologizing because you hadn't talked yet. So I was like, sorry for what? What's happening? It wasn't that you were being rude. I didn't understand the topic. All right, YM is continuing to push. Again, remember, I was wrong on the analysis on where I thought YM wanted to do this morning, but I'm not going to throw 37 trades at it. I'm just going to sit back and wait until my next opportunity, you know what I mean, to get long or short. Clearly, I was incorrect about the short, but name the person that's never been incorrect, right? So now we just sit back and wait. Our account, the risk was managed. We're more than good in the trade, right? We just wait. I actually want, in order for me to short this, I actually want to see us continue to rally inside of this next macro. But the way we're coming up on the tape, shorts might be off the table for YM.
Yeah, I think
for a while.
Shorts could be on the table for NQ, but we got to break this low first. We got to break below this low here.
Yeah, shorts are on the table. I'm gonna delete this this supply zone because this shit is dead, and then I'm gonna leave this all-time high level. And instead of looking for shorts, I'm gonna look to go long YM on the pullback of this area. Depending on how we come into the macro, I'm cool with the macro going bullish, but because we came out of here so aggressive, there's no way I'm gonna short this aggressive demand push. I'm not doing that. I'd rather just wait for YM to push out and then come back down to me. So I'm going to be looking at the area of the all-time high at 767 or 704. 704 looks really good for longs on the 5-minute. I really like that area. So I'm not going to fall in love with a bias when the bias is clearly wrong, right? Like that's what's happening right now. And the old me would still be looking to short this the entire way up, right? And there's no reason to look to get short right now. There's just none, right? So if that's the case, then I just need to back off the thesis, reevaluate, and say, all right, am I correct in looking to short this, right? And the last Mohican is how we come into this next macro. That's the only way that I'd be looking to short, and I'd be looking to take profit at that area that I just discussed inside of 70.
Yeah, right now ES is double topping in supply. NQ's breaking down right now. Shorts are definitely on the table for both of these instruments. I'm just trying to wait on a pullback on NQ to get short, but we just broke the low there.
You see how we rejected midnight on NQ? That's your pullback. That's your pullback. All right, now we're looking good up here to the short side on YM. I'm just still gonna wait until we come into this macro. I want to see us push bullish into 950. Yeah.
What is NQ? Oh, this is 5-minute. Yeah, no, I agree.
There we go. That looks good. Now let's see us break some freaking structure.
All right, NQ's pushing back up now. I guess it's opposite day here on NQ.
Yeah, every time YM pushes down, NQ pushes up, and every time YM pushes up, NQ pushes down. It's weird. Just watching it. I'm watching it on the 4 screen. I'm like, yo, this is weird. YM still looks bullish here. Still just waiting.
Yeah, ES is coming back up to those highs yet again.
See how we traded into the macro bearish? That lets me know that the market wants to go higher. There's no reason to fight this trend. YM is sending on this 15-minute time frame. I think it's going to give us an opportunity, but geesh. Make sure my kid ain't talking about Panther Pride right now. YM could run to 40,880, even 40,920. Yeah, it's looking really strong on the tape. I'm not gonna step in front of that freight train. I'm good. I'll just wait. I'll wait till it comes back down to either get long or short it back down to the level. All green today, no losses. Let's keep it that way. Let's go, prick kid. Let's get it. Keep going. My limit lord ain't even get triggered. The fuck is this? Are you fucking with Trader Bait again? Is Trader Bait giving you that smoke again? Looking real trappy on the YM here. I don't know. Ooh,
trappy on
these bulls are angry.
Or on NQ, I mean.
Yeah, hands off the wheel for now, man. My analysis was incorrect for YM, so I'm just kind of sitting back and watching these fireworks because this thing is rallying on this 15-minute. I'm not going to step in front of this train. NQ looks like it's about to do the same thing. Has that we did come into your macro bullish though. Should be looking for shorts on the other end of 1010. Yeah, I like it. I'm just watching YM's tape and I'm like, ain't no fucking way I'm short this shit. Not yet. Not yet. They took one of my tokens. So I'm like, nah, I'll wait. Like she want to do something up here. It just feels like consolidation.
NQ short-term shorts.
Yeah, I like shorts on NQ. I'm not trading it, but I definitely looking at the structure only, based off time and area. I definitely like the shorts on NQ, especially if we can continue to reject midnight price. I like longs on YM, but I was hoping for a slight pullback. Yeah. I think it's gonna come.
But on NQ?
No, YM. I want to jump in here, but I was hoping for, fuck it. I'm gonna take longs over here on YM. I don't think it's gonna pull back. I really wanted it to, but I don't think it's going to. Just looking at how bullish it looks on the 15, and the fact that it looks like NQ's about to dump, I'm just gonna get on the long train here. Just reading the tape and how bullish we look on the tape, like I think this thing is ready to go. I'm long 870 on YM, 2 contracts. Stops are at 48. Didn't take a picture of that first loss, but shit. I hate getting long up here because I just don't know where this thing wants to go. Let me see on the tape. Let's see what the fuck we got liquidity up here. There's nothing. 950 is good. Maybe we'll target that. There's no structure up here. We're in freaking no man's land. I'm driving the wheel here, and I don't know where we're going, but fuck it. Fuck it. This thing is going. Right.
Yeah, NQ is
oh my god, this 15-minute candle on YM is freaking insane. Who the hell told me to look for shorts? I hate all of y'all. Whoa, YM. This entry is horrendous, but I don't think it matters. Just reading this tape, it's so bullish that I just couldn't. I was like, I'm just gonna take it. I'm not proud of this entry at all, but I don't care. The goal is to make bread. Jesus, YM is gigasending. All right, note to self. I'm going to reevaluate some of these supply zones at these all-time highs, man. Like these things they just don't fucking matter. Like the market is like, this is where we're going. Just get out of the way. Just get out of the way. All right. We're gonna take one contract off right there to pay ourselves and get back to break even on the day. And now we're locking in a couple $100 green on the day. We'll let this thing ride out to a sunset. All right, got our money back. 70 ticks locked in on the one contract, and then nice trade about this. 70 ticks locked in on the first contract, and I got one runner locked in for $200, 34 ticks. Horrible entry, but again, I just saw what I saw off the tape. I was just seeing so much bullish aggression from these bulls. I'm just like, yo, you know what? Let me just take it. Thank God I had the tape up. Good call this morning, Jay. Switching the tapes. Yeah, locking in 40 more ticks. Locked in 70 already. One loser that took care of the loser and put us in profit on the day. So I really want a long YM on a pullback. So I can get a proper entry. But again, this entry was based off the tape. I was just reading the tape and I'm just seeing how aggressive we are on the tape. And I'm just like, I'm just going to jump in. This thing looks good on the 30-second. I'll show you guys the entry later on the 30-second, what I saw, but it was just looking really good. I was just like, you know what, let me just take it here. Gold looks to be reaching.
We'll hear about as we're at settlement, but we're still rejecting though. This looks good.
Are you short, Jay?
No, I didn't get short up there. Yeah, it does look good. I didn't like the structure that we had. I wanted to come back up a bit higher to short it. I saw the potential there, but it just wasn't high quality for me, so I passed up on it. Yeah, we just filled those orders right there.
Past 250K top step, yeah, up 100 points on runners. Yeah, this is crazy. YM is going crazy right now.
It should be good.
I don't know why y'all in chat didn't warn me to go long, even though I saw all of y'all saying go long. But it was just looking so bullish. I'm like, yo, like, I don't think we're gonna slow down. Like, I want us to, but I don't think we are. Yeah, I'm up 91 ticks on my runners. This is crazy. This is crazy. It just keeps going. I'm gonna lock in 80 ticks here. Another $300 locked in, or 62 ticks. Again, just locking in profit as we go, and just kind of filling this trade as we go. locking in another 300 bucks. Now we're definitely green on the day. The tape has frozen. This thing's moving so fast. So up 100 ticks right there. So we're gonna lock in 80 ticks. It's gonna trail this runner because I don't know where this thing is trying to go. We're in no man's land. We're gonna lock in 400 on the day. Bringing our total to about 300 on the day. We were down about 300 on that first initial trade. So just gonna lock that in. And again, we were wrong. We reevaluated it and we saw an opportunity. We took it. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay wrong, right? Now we're up 110 ticks on YM. We're gonna lock in 100 ticks now. Again, trailing tight because we don't know where this thing's gonna go. YM's never been up here. So I'm not about to let any of this go. We're 100 ticks and now we're continuing to push up 118 ticks now. Every 10 ticks or so, I'll go ahead and every 20 ticks or so, I'll go ahead and lock in some profit. Let's go. That is. Let's go. Time, baby. Time. Bullish into the macro, bearish on the way out. Every time. Let's go. All right. Locking in 101 ticks now on this trade. Another 500 bucks in the bag. All right. Good. Done for the day on this. Well, done for right now until we get a pullback. I want YM to pull back into that area we just took off from, or at least into one of these fair value gaps. Do you find that YM suits your style more than NQ? Yeah, 100%. 100%. I prefer YM over NQ now. And people that have been watching me trade lately, and you guys have seen that I've kind of migrated to YM because once it gets going, this thing's gone, right? Like we could see 41,000 a day, right? But I now can go over to NQ now that it's selling off because it's starting to fit my thesis, right? My thesis this morning was why NQ would sell off into demand, right? And I can look to long it on the bottom, right? YM did not fit my thesis. Instead, it blew right through my thesis. So I was incorrect on YM, but I ended up jumping in for the longs, right? Collecting that profit, getting back green on the day. And now I'm over here looking at NQ like, okay, if you're going to go to 448, I'm definitely looking to long NQ down at 448 because my thesis was this morning that we would break through Monday's low and then Tuesday would put in the low of the week. If I'm wrong and we keep selling, right, and seeing that the VIX is getting stronger, I don't want to jump in front of this sell-off. I'm just going to let this thing push and stay on YM. YM is going to give me an opportunity. I want to retest of all-time highs on YM. Right? That's where I want to trade it. If it just continues to push, I mean, we're at 41,000 now. YM is up 400 points to start the day. That's insane. Like it moves like NQ, but it pays you like ES, right? And the risk to reward is just so much better. And the choppiness just doesn't exist on YM, right? Like it's just not that choppy. It's very, very clean in its movement. It's very, very definitive, right? Trading Yoga Girl, you still with me? Tell me you didn't stay short. You saw that we were wrong, right? And you had okay, good, okay, all right, cool, exactly, okay, good. I didn't get what I need. She said, "Oh no, I'm long this shit. Let's go, let's go, let's go." She said, "No, fuck no, I'm long. Wrap this shit up. Let's go." And that to me is an example of, yeah, we were wrong, but did we go sad, quiet? Nah, fuck that shit. All right, we wrong, but where can we get right? Right? Our analysis was incorrect. Yeah, we jumped right back in and said, nope, we wrong, but we're gonna get in down here and ride this thing up. And this thing's still pushing. We could have held this thing, but I didn't know where it wants to go. This thing is gone, bro. This thing is gone. Look at the tape. It's so aggressively bullish. I'm so fuck you, man. Fuck NQ. Like, I'm sorry, y'all. Like, I know the YouTube channel be wanting me to trade NQ, but bro, I found a home in YM, bro. YM is just, out 150 points on a micro, not too shabby. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying with Kaya. It's like, bro, like, why am I gonna sweat NQ and this thing is moving 500 fucking points before 11 o'clock? Like, all right, YM slayed. That's it. You don't need nothing else. Man. That's what I mean. Like when something's moving like this, like I'm good trade Valdez. Like let's man.
Yeah, Valdez eating on the short.
Your ass should have been in. You should have been in that damn short, Justin. You gotta take that, man. Don't say, please don't say it's okay.
I mean, it's got to be okay. I missed it, so
yeah. But that's what you're supposed
to
go
back in time now. No, I mean I'm not gonna hold on to one missed trade.
Yeah, let's go, bro. Let's get it. Let's go. Yeah. It's looking. Let's fucking go, bro. Body bag, bro. Bagged and tagged, bro. Yeah, bagged and tagged, bro.
That sounds so wrong.
That sounds so weird. That sounds so weird. That sounds so weird. Ain't bad, bro. Let's get it, you guys. Let's get it. 972, 100 points, 103 points on that trade, guys, on YM. Let's go.
Coming down.
Let's go. Let's fucking go. Bro, as soon as I saw that macro, I was like, yo, short's about to come in on NQ. Like, you need to be looking to get short. It's telling you what it's about to do. Yo. Yep. Bro, listen, it's telling us what it's going to do. But yeah. Oh yeah, I've been out of YM. I got out. I was trailing my stop because I didn't know where we was trying to go. I've been out. Regrouped and took loans based on order flow. Yep. Oh yeah, like wait, because so you can see what you got. Yeah, that's why I take that initial. Yeah. Well, when I'm in two minis on YM, I don't mind taking that initial out, right? Taking that one mini off, and then because we're at all-time highs, I don't have an actual target. Like I haven't percentage-wise, data-wise, looked to see how far this thing can go. I was just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna trail because I don't know when this thing is gonna. You know what I mean? Like that was just my last resort. Is like, you know what? Let me just trail this shit because I don't know what I'm gonna do other than that. You know, so it looked good. It looked good from the start. It looked good to the finish. I wasn't gonna let it leave that area without me getting an entry. And now I'm not looking to short YM. Instead, I'm gonna let YM come back down. I'm gonna look to get long YM down in the 600s. But maybe I should look to short it if I'm gonna look all the way down there, honestly. Just I don't know. Yeah, me too, because of where we were strategically. I didn't have a bullish plan. I'm like, I have one, but I don't trust it. So, yeah. Nah, there's no sense of falling in love with it. Yeah, now it's gone. Now we don't have to worry about it no more. Looking at joining shorts on NQ at 250 target. I'm gonna stay over here on YM today. Kevin says, is YM the new move? Never traded it. I mean, I trade 4 instruments, guys. That's why you see 4 instruments on my chart. I mean, you can see why I didn't touch ES. This thing hasn't moved at all, right? But ES, NQ, YM, and gold. I don't care which instrument I trade, but I'll tell you this, I'm slowly starting to have a favorite, right? And that favorite is by far becoming YM because it just moves so clean, right? It's just not a lot of irky jerky shit. So I don't know, maybe the trader shop will make YM popular. I don't know. I don't really care. Like, it pays me. I don't give a fuck what it does for everybody else, right? Like, it pays me. Yeah, ain't nobody on YouTube talking about it, right? So we'll trade YM. We'll trade anything over here. It's the trader shop. Nope. Yeah. Ain't nobody talking about it. Ain't no weird shit over here. So we'll trade it. We'll trade it for y'all. Don't worry about it. Every time I trade this thing, I average like 150 points, like per trade. I'm not even kidding. And it's $5 per point. Like, no, I missed today. I took a loss, but I've been destroying this thing. Like, it's just like, it's too easy. Stopped out on YM, made over 335 points. Bro, let's go, Prayer Kid. Let's get it. Let's go, bro. I think you beat my record. I think I got 275 on YM. It's crazy. It was like, I mean, what are you gonna do? If it's just gonna keep moving, like, fuck it, just ride that thing. Let's go, man. Let's get it. I'm done for now. The next macro doesn't come up until, I don't know. Let me check on my kid. Oh, this looks good on the 5-minute to short YM. I'm just scared to short it. So I'm just gonna be honest. I'm not looking to short this. I'm essentially just gonna let it come down. If it comes down, like, it is what it is. But the 5-minute print looks good. Just don't give back your profits. Take a break. Wait for the next macro is what I would say.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching NQ right now. Yeah, I'm looking at the longs. We're getting bullish. I'm gonna try a long here.
They're looking at. Oh, damn, this is the low of the range too.
Yeah.
Damn,
Yeah,
y'all,
still failing, though.
My bad, y'all kind of breaking up a little bit. I'm about to go make some breakfast, guys. I'm not gonna sit here and watch this. I have a thesis and I want to see. Wait, let me call my son. Be careful on these longs, man. This thing looks. Oof.
Yeah, now
I think YM wants higher. Crazy because it's already up like 500 points. But this is the first pullback, and I'm gonna go grab some fruit or something real quick because I'm gonna wait for 1050.
Nah, yeah, NQ definitely coming down lower.
Yeah, especially Jay, because you're probably feeling a little FOMO right now. Just zoom out to like the 15 or the 5. So you can kind of slow price down a little bit, right? And you're not looking for those opportunities. Baby girl awake. I heard some click clacking, baby. I'm not sure. She might have been awake. You know, she don't really tell me when she get up. For what? Thing ain't going nowhere. Yeah, facts. Shout out to Trading Yoga Girl. Hold on a second, guys, in Discord. Shout out to Trading Yoga Girl. She says, God is great. First, I got sponsored for this group, then passed my prop exams in a group. 3 months later, charting futures and making money. Moreover, learning how to make it as a profitable trader. Shouts out to you, girl, because I know you've been working your ass off, man. Not a paid ad. No, it's definitely not a paid ad. Shorts coming on YM. I don't know yet, Prayer Kid. I'm looking at the tape and they look strong. The bulls still look strong, man. The order flow still looks to the upside. I just don't know where it's trying to go, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna trade it based off time, so I'm gonna wait till 1050. But it looks like we can go maybe to 42,000. As strong as we look on the tape, this thing looks aggressive. I don't know what retail sales had in it, but it sent the YM, bro. Sent. YM is up. If we would have got long where we was trying to get short, I mean, damn, from that area, I mean, the market's up. Holy shit. The market is the Dow. The Dow's up almost 600 points already? Yo, what?
I did take long. Yeah, I got long at 503.
Yeah. Yo, this thing, YM is going for it, bro.
Yeah, I did take it on the 1 minute. Yeah, I took it when we rejected the low. But that's what I'm targeting.
That's all I want.
That's what I'm targeting.
I would take a long here on NQ, but I'm not trusting this level. Yeah, I like this level for longs. I just don't like it for a long time.
Yeah,
I like Justin's target because he's not looking for that shit for a long time.
Nah, yeah, I'm just looking for I'm looking for settlement. That's all I want. Nah, I'm not I'm risking. Yeah, no, trust me.
He's not on YM. He's on NQ. Yeah, he's looking to long. Right? He's looking to long NQ back into settlement, which is also supply. So, yeah, that's a really good target. So, and the fact that ES hasn't given up anything this morning. This could be an actual reversal, but I would just stick to my plan. But
nah. Settlement is definitely where I'm going for.
Yeah, something like
that's all I need is settlement. I don't need nothing else. On 3 micro, $500 move.
I don't know, Prayer Kid. I think we just stay in this balanced range for NQ until earnings, man. I'm just gonna stick to that thesis. I really think that that's what NQ is doing. I don't think we just refuse to trade lower, right? We refuse to trade higher. You seen this tape, Trading Yoga Girl, for YM? Is Bud okay? He better not be still trying to short this shit. Bud, you good?
Stop it.
Yeah, we gotta. Hey, somebody at Bud. Okay. You got out of them shorts, right? You went long. Okay, good. All right, good. Yeah, I know, Kevon. Hey, hold on a second, Discord fam. Yo, Kevon says that 1 hour chart on YM is giving mad FOMO. I'm like, bro, I was in this thing 100 points ago and it's still going. I'm like, man, I don't want to touch it this high. Yeah, I did. Not trying. I shorted this shit. I shorted it, but again, all of us have been wrong. But what did I say? Really? I said, okay, I'm wrong, but I'm not about to stay wrong. I'm just gonna wait until an opportunity presents itself that tells, because I'm looking at the tape, I'm like, I'm clearly incorrect. Justin's telling me I'm wrong. Yeah, exactly. That's the no-no zone, right? So, And then I have my look, and then I got my man Justin looking at my order flow like, you're wrong. And I'm like, I mean, maybe. And it took that high. I was like, yeah, we aggressively took that high. I was like, let me chill. Because I'll start shorting this shit the whole way up. I'm not usually. It worked yesterday. So, I was trading yesterday's action, I was like, you know what? I'm pretty okay with shorting, being the first seller. I was just asking for a small pullback. YM was like, nah. Yeah. I'm a real one, bro. I try to jump on these grenades for y'all. You know what I mean? I try to jump on these grenades, yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you see that 5-minute structure it built right there? And it's continuing to break up. They don't even want to come down. Like
I'm out.
I can't do nothing to it. You out, Jay?
Yeah.
Yeah, they won't lower. They don't want to give you settlement.
It was the ultimate low.
You gonna take shorts on YM? All right, Godspeed, bro. Godspeed. Prayer Kid said, "Hey, Prayer Kid, we appreciate your donation, sir. Let us see what's up. What's up, bud?" Yeah. Instantly cook. Yeah. Instant cook. I'ma steal that. Yeah. K Vine quoted me. He said, "I'm wrong, but I'm not about to stay wrong. I'ma steal that." Exactly. What for? The market creates opportunity. Why the fuck am I gonna stay short when clearly the market's not going short? My analysis is incorrect. I'm announcing that I'm wrong. Hey guys, I'm wrong today. So what? Who the fuck cares? What are you gonna do about it? You're gonna not make money because the shit you wrote on paper didn't work out in $1 trillion algorithm? No, fuck that. I'm jumping into longs. Let's go. Let's make some money. Yeah. Willing to die on heels in this business? Yeah, folks be willing to die on that analysis, not me. Shit, you take my high? I was wrong. Clearly I was wrong. Yo, this thing going to 42,000, man. I think if we're breaking that high, we might go to 42, 43,000. This is nuts. Again, I'm not touching nothing until that next macro prints. I'm waiting on my kid to tell me he's ready to get picked up. I don't know where the hell he at. He need to take me off these charts because every time I say I'm not going to take nothing, next thing you know, I got a screenshot in the chat. So I'm trying to be patient. Let's get it. Let's make this money, y'all.
Yeah, this looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go lower.
Yeah, don't fight that trend, bro. Right now, the strength is to the downside.
I already got out.
Yeah, strength is to the downside. Remember we talked about that shit. Like you don't want to be shorting down here, but if the longs ain't coming in, you gotta just let this shit go. Is that scrimmage? So he'll probably be later. Yeah, I know. He said a little later today, babe. But see, look at the tape right now, trading yoga girl. You see how we're trading aggressively to the downside, and the tape is aggressively diverging. Watch how the bubbles start to come up, right? If these bubbles start to come up and this tape stays diverged like that, that means that the sellers aren't being rewarded. But let's see if they can push it down. See, that's aggressive selling. We want to see that, but we want to see it be rewarded. Yeah, see, that's good. That's what you want to see. Good short, kid. Let's see if it continues though. It looks good on the order flow up here though.
Again, we're putting in a higher low here.
I'm just gonna wait to the macro. Let me take my hands off this damn mouse because I'll fucking trade this shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right, give me a second, guys. We'll go get some food. Check on my baby girl. I'll be back. Short at 1050. Good job, bro. Let's see if it prints, man. I like it. I like it. Looking at the order flow, I like it. But again, when we're at all-time highs and no man's land, I just need to see some structure being built. I'd rather let them decide where they're going to stop buying. The email said the game doesn't start till 10. The game doesn't start till 10? He had me drop him off at 7:40 in the morning. He gonna need some food. I can't have my man out there like that. Hold on, let me call my son, y'all. Let me call my son, y'all.
don't know what the hell just happened right there. Yeah, mine just glitched. Yeah, mine just literally glitched as well. I was wondering about that. Yep. No, I got back in long, but my shit is glitching though. Mine says I'm negative $3 right now. I know I'm not negative $3. Yeah, I can see it. It just says it's just telling me I don't. It's just telling me I'm down. But yeah, we can see the candles. Yeah, we gotta push out and break that high though. I don't know. It says I'm down, but I should be green. Nah, it still says I'm down. It says I'm down. It says I'm down money, but I'm not. I'm long right now. Yeah, on Top Step. Yeah, Top Step is glitching right now. Oh, what the hell is this? That wick almost took me out. Oh, we must have had news or something. Yeah, we must have. I mean, that volatility came in aggressive.
Voice checking on you, Jay. He said he ain't heard from you in a while.
Oh, I'm good. I'm long right now. I got long off that push, but oh, okay, it's working now. It's working now. They fixed it. Whatever issue they had is working again because my thing just updated. I was a little concerned. I'm not gonna lie because it was saying I was down, but I knew I wasn't. Top Step X was glitching. It was glitching out, but it's good now.
How you hanging in there, prayer kid? You short from 150. Looking good though.
Now we just need to push up out of here. I just don't want to see this fail. Don't fail.
It's got to come down at some point, right? Right, prayer kid? She can't stay up here all day, right? Theoretically.
What news just came out? Anybody know what news just came out?
Yeah, that would affect the Dow, the industrials. All right, that. Oh, you guys long?
Yeah.
On NQ?
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're long. Me and Malik. I don't know if Valdez hopped in long too. No.
Yeah, we'll be trading shit all day, man. That's what I'm working on right now. I'm just working on trying to be patient because I'm like, bro. I'm low key on the same shit right now. I want to short YM so bad. I'm like, bro, like, let me just relax. I guess I'll just do my job.
That's crazy. Yeah, we can get above this quick. We should be good to go. Yeah, the market is just, yeah, we just continue to stall at these highs every time, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this next macro. Uh-oh, prayer kid, they coming for your entry, B. They coming for your entry, B.
And these bulls continue to defend though.
Bro, I feel like the only thing I can look at YM to do is short it. And I'm not shorting it until like somebody else shorts it first. Right? Not nobody in chat, because Prayer Kid's already in that. And looking at this tape, I'm praying for him. Literally. Gold got me working for a trade setup. Yeah, gold ain't going nowhere, man. It's stuck. It's kind of stuck. You got stopped out on YM, went back in, still holding short. Okay. All right. I'm looking at it. Look, let me show you the order flow. Maybe this will change your mind. Let me show you the order flow.
Man, I need YM to start dumping
on the order flow. let me show you what I'm looking at. The reason why I keep giggling, because I'm like, bruh, like this shit. Like, I wanted to come down too, but this order flow is so freaking bullish, man. Look at this thing. Hold on, let me share my screen. I'm gonna share y'all my order flow screen. Okay. That's definitely not the screen.
Damn.
All right. Okay, now we looking. Now I like that. I like that seller coming in. But essentially, the order flow, when the order flow continues to rally like this, and we continue to find buyers, like, I need these red bubbles to be excessive before I touch this thing. I need to see a break of structure. But we continue to buy, right? You see that lack of buying right there? I like that. I really like that lack of buying back at your entry. I really like that. But I'm you know what? I'll try short. No. Said I was gonna wait to the macro. Yeah, I want to short YM. I really do. I ain't changed. I mean, I'm in the combine. I don't trade my pundits till tomorrow, but yeah, I'm not short yet, but I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. I just want to see a lack of buying here at these highs, but they're just clearing this tape and they just continue to buy. So if that's going to continue to happen, I like what I'm seeing on the structure though. And then I'm just waiting to see a lack of buying at these highs. You see that lack of buying right there? Lack of buying right there. You guys probably don't understand it, the ones in the YouTube, but that's what I'm waiting to see. I want to see a lack of buying and aggressive selling coming from there. Taking heat over there. See, you see they keep buying? Oh no.
I just do not like NQ right now. NQ's pissing me off.
Right, let me change the screen because I know a lot of y'all don't understand what y'all looking at, so I don't want to confuse anybody.
Bruh. I know, it's pissing me off though.
Shoot. Trading yoga girl. No, I'm not short. She said, wait, you getting short?
I think this is the bottom on NQ though. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we look so bullish every time we come down to the low. We buy up so quick. Like, God damn, man. This shit wants to give me a whole heart aneurysm as it does its bullshit. Like, oh my God. Bro, we're having like 30-point
This is
swings.
Jay. This is when I get up and walk the fuck away. This is when I get up and walk away and just trust the analysis and just say, you know what, I'm putting my stop down at that low. Yeah, that's the NQ life. But you prayer kid, you praying for this. Not Jubilee. I'm talking to prayer kid. Prayer kid said, I'm taking heat over here. He said buyers should start taking profit. That's when you start getting on your knees, bro. Just stop shorting this shit. He said stop out. Yeah, man. Just stop, bro. Good morning, Bray. Good morning. Well, he might be, you're probably right. You're just early. That's why I'm trying to like really fight the urge to short this early. And I'm going to wait for the macro because usually we'll keep rallying, but then when we come in the macro, that's when we get a nice sell-off. So I'm just going to wait into 1050 macro and just kind of wait it out. Because you see what NQ is doing the same thing, just consolidating until we get to 1050. And then at 1050, it's going to trade down. If it's going to go up, it's going to trade down. Huh? Yeah. Ryan really gave up 600 points. I caught 102 points and I feel like I got gypped. I feel like I got gypped, bro. Bro, this shit went 200 points for my entry and I bought the top.
There we go. Bro. Come on, NQ.
Come on, NQ.
I know. Just get above that high.
Let's go, Jay. Let's go, Jay. Screenshot.
Bro, this has been.
Bro, I know.
It was a good re-entry. I had to plan to re-enter after I took that profit. I took a small loss getting back in initially. I'd stopped myself out and I got a better entry because I didn't like my first entry. But yeah,
bro,
man, this
your invalidation point is the best part about this trade right now. Because, bro, look at the fucking 1 hour on YM. I'm sorry. God.
Huh?
Yo.
Nah, it's at 97 now. I moved it up a little bit to that next low.
Malik, look at the YM chart on the 1 hour, bro. Yo, this is the most bullish shit I've ever seen. This should look like Bitcoin right now. This is crazy. Look at the 1 hour on YM, bro. Like, this thing is sending. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, bro, I can't in my right mind fucking long this shit up here. But every time I say that, it rallies another. It's up 447 points right now. 500 points on YM to start the day. This is crazy. Yeah, I'm up over 450 points between YM and NQ. Hey, yeah, it's all house money at this point, right? Like you're just trying to see what you got. I just want to short it at this point. I'm telling you, it ain't no way we can go much higher without coming down, right? Like 600 points before 11 a.m. You gotta be tired of buying. Yo, this shit just keeps going, bro. Like, what the hell? Oh my god, this could have been an epic long if I would have been looking at it right. It's that damn red supply zone that just had me. Oh, let's go, Justice. Let's go.
Yeah, we're almost my profit target.
Let's go, Jay.
Almost the profit. Oh shit.
What?
Oh. Okay. Phew. Y'all, I'm so glad I checked y'all because when I reloaded my screen, it went to 6 contracts instead of 3 contracts because of that glitch.
Oh, micros?
Yeah.
I'm in 3.
No. I'm in 3. No, it scared me because if I took profit, it would have like reversed my position.
Oh, yes, that's true. That's true.
So that scared me for a second. I was like, wait, hold the phone.
Hey, prayer kid. These candles starting to look pretty weak up here on the 5 minute. Just saying. We almost to 1050. Somebody gotta be loading to sell, bro. Like somebody gotta be loading to sell this, right?
I did move it. I moved it.
Let's go, Jay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Almost to your profit target. Let's go, Jay.
I'm trailing.
And then take screenshot. You're about to hit your profit target in like 2 seconds. I'm short 105. Okay. All right. Like I said, I'm gonna wait till the macro prints. We're almost there. We're almost there. This gonna hurt for a second. Yeah, it is.
Well,
yep.
well, we're almost tapping VWAP. I think it might take some profit here. I'm starting to not like this handle here. My fingers are on the sell button right now, but we're still pumping up, so I'm not gonna sell it just yet.
My tape is like frozen, y'all. I don't know why. It's been doing this shit a lot.
Yeah, the tape is looking pretty good up here. We're almost at VWAP, so I'm just trying to be careful here.
My rules between 10:45 and 11, the top should be in. Yeah, like Yeah, I agree with you, Prayer Kid. Like what are we gonna do? Rally 800 points today? Like, come on. Like, there's no way they're gonna keep fucking buying this shit. Like, we gotta have reached some type of price. We gotta have.
Well, are we coming down though? I don't know. Your book map is messed up.
I know it's frozen. I'm trying to fix it right now, but it's not doing anything. I'm just gonna close it.
I think we may come back down here.
Yep, macro time.
Go ahead and take 2 off there. All right,
just like, yeah, look at my damn money. You gotta be within a couple ticks of your profit target. Shit.
Yeah, I am. That's why I took 2 off. That's why I took 2 off right there. I'm gonna let the last one ride.
Yeah, hopefully my I'm looking at shorts up here on YM, but I want the tape to kind of reload itself here. Almost a 1050. Well, I think you're wrong. So my dog is running away. Hang on a second.
Oh shit.
Chicago.
I didn't hear any of what you said. I just took profit on 2 of the contracts, so yeah, I took profit, and now I'm just gonna hold. I'm gonna try to hold this runner, but I'm securing $60 on the runner, so yeah. That's the plan. That's the plan. If the runner gets me $200, then I'm straight. If it can't, then that's fine too. Definitely possible. And if that, I mean, shoot, I'll put it back up to where we're to that all-time high. I'm gonna manage this last runner. If it gets me $300, then dope. If not, then that's fine too. I mean, I'm in my funded. I had to trade my funded in the next 10 days, or else they were gonna close it. So I'm in my funded right now. Yeah, you have to trade your funded every at least once every calendar month, or they'll close it. Yeah, just once every month. It's been 20 days since I traded my funded. Yep. Nah, I took a loss. But I got back in. I longed the market a little too early. Yeah, no. My day's already green. Those 2 contracts secured my green day. So now it's just about seeing if this runner can print. It's not going to be. No, I'm securing in profit. It's not going to take away my green day. The only thing, yeah, the only thing that I can't do is unless this runner prints, I'm not going to have a $200 day. But that's fine. I don't care about that. Like this runner is not going to secure me $200 for the day. And well, it not at the moment, not at the current moment.
1050 macro, almost here, almost here, almost here.
But if we can break settlement, then yeah, this will be a $200 day.
Well, the macro could bring us higher because we're just not pulling back. Like, it could bring us higher. Yeah. Prayer Kid said he's up 40 points already. Let's go, Prayer Kid.
On what, shorts?
On shorts on YM, yeah.
Yeah, I need YM to continue to fall down. So
it hasn't fallen down at all. It hasn't done anything. It's just sitting up here. I'm like, I think it wants to fall, but I'm not gonna be first seller. Forget that.
Yeah, it has been.
I think this thing wants to go higher, Prayer Kid. We just look so freaking strong. Every attempt to sell this thing off, it just keeps going higher, higher, higher.
Let me check these stocks, see what these stocks are doing. Yeah. We got Microsoft and Google are both trying to rally, which is good. Yeah, I think I might have caught a body for this last runner. This runner's up about 50 points right now. Securing about 25. Oh no, I'm definitely getting a green day. This account's gonna be green. The real question is how far is this runner gonna run? Oh, $200? Yeah. I mean, green is green. I don't care whether it's $200 or not. I can get the $200 later.
I think YM's going for another leg. Kid, you might want to consider taking those profits. Ooh, I'm talking to Prayer Kid. I'm still gonna short this thing. I'm 100% gonna short this thing. It's just a matter of when. That's all. It's not even a question. I don't give a fuck what y'all say. I'm 100% gonna short this thing. It's just a matter of when. That's it. Here comes 1050 coming in bullish. That's what I want. Come on. They both coming in bullish. I'm definitely looking to short this thing. Best bet your bottom dollar.
All right, here we go now. Just don't fail. Except for we're at these highs, so.
More bulls. YM's already up 1%. Man. This thing might be going for an 800 point day. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Yeah, NQ is just struggling to push any higher.
Damn, it still can't even get back to settlement.
I think we just tapped settlement actually right there. I think that was
no, we didn't. We just missed it.
Oh, damn. Maybe.
Oh, Short King. I thought you said Shark King. I was like, what? All right, still no action from these bears in this macro. Like this thing is still pushing. Maybe we get something like we got yesterday where we just rally, and then right at 11:10, we just got an aggressive seller to hit the bid.
Yeah, we're just consolidating right now on NQ. Really don't know what NQ wants to do here. Or is NQ finally making a decision to come down?
See how we're looking pretty selly on the tape up here, trading Yo-Yo. Watching this.
Selly here too.
I just want to see us break something. Break something.
Yeah, looks like they're gonna come get me here.
Yeah, just wait to 10-10, bro. Like just wait to the other side, man. I see you on the other side. I see you on the other side. Bro, my tape keeps acting stupid. And just close the account.
That was literally 3 ticks or 3. That was 3 points away from my stop right there. All right, now that we went and tested that low, let's go ahead and get the fuck up out of here, NQ.
If these macros get above 580, then we fly away on the NASDAQ, Yvonne? I haven't even looked at it. I'm watching Justin try to get up there. Struggling now.
Bruh. It was literally
he is fucking struggling.
14. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm securing like 30 points with this last runner, but it's probably gonna come get me.
It's about to go higher, bro.
Yeah, because NQ is just not pushing. It comes back down to the low.
Hell no, I'm not touching this thing up here. I don't know where it wants to go, but I'm not trying to step in front of the train. Rare Kid is sitting on the grenade for us. He keeps shorting this shit. I'm like, bro.
Come on, NQ. Rally. Get up out of here, NQ. Get up out of here, NQ. Get up out of here, NQ. Come on, NQ. Get up out of here.
Just had a moment with NQ.
Well, yeah, if you're trying to long or short this right now, I mean, shorts are winning the battle here, but yeah, I think. Come on, NQ, don't do this to me. Come on, girl, get your ass up there. I'm trying to ride you.
The language in the shop is crazy.
Nah, it's about to come get my ass though.
Whoa.
Hawk Tua. All right, there it is. I'm stopped out there. Yeah.
Nah, it's about to come back up. You talking about NQ? It's about to come back up. Yeah, it's about to come back up. Yeah, it's about to come back up. He said, "Oh boy, all right."
I don't even care. It can do whatever it wants.
Oh, the patience is killing me. I just got blue ball calls. All right.
Now NQ about to go ham.
Yeah, I think it's about to come up. I wanted to go up so YM can come down. YM's almost there. I think it's almost ready. I think we've been sitting up here long enough. Come on down. Sometime today. Anytime.
Now, what would be great is if Top Step erased all the losses today for their blender.
But 5-second blender.
I'm not gonna ask them to do it, but hey, I wouldn't be mad at them if they did. I mean, you have control no way, so yeah, the stop loss was working though. Oh. Oh well, damn. Then they might mess around and reset. Then let's go. I wouldn't be mad at that. No, that's what they do. They won't take away any of the wins.
No, they won't take any
away
gains away. They'll just take away the losses. Oh, we're doing nothing.
Yeah, I don't know how they'll do it. I don't know if they get enough complaints. I mean, clearly they sent out a message so they know that there was an issue.
Yeah, at this point, I'm just waiting, guys. I'm looking at shorts on YM, but I'm just kind of waiting to see what we do up at these highs because we're just consolidating up here, but we're not going higher. I just want to see something break, right? That's all I'm really waiting on, but. 62 people in the building. Please make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. If you are using Apex as a prop firm, the Apex discount code that'll get you the 80% off, all that other stuff. Obviously, you'll get it without our code, but if you would like to help out the channel, it really helps if you guys use that Apex code to get your accounts. And yeah, make sure you just hit the like and subscribe button, man. We appreciate each and every one of you guys in the building. We've already taken a couple trades this morning. I took one loss, one win. Still looking to try to short YM up here, but I'm waiting to see what happens. Holding on long from 518, says Yvonne. Let's get it, Yvonne. Let's get it.
Yeah, I took one loss and one small win and one larger win. So I'm green on the day on my funded, so can't be mad at that.
Good.
But yeah, I don't know. Normally, when we come out of those lows, if we're going to be aggressive, we're going to come out much more aggressive. We couldn't even make our way all the way back up to settlement or VWAP for that matter.
I'm looking at YM's tape and I just don't see sellers. I just keep seeing more buyers, which is good. It's kind of what I want to see, but you know, there's a lot of buying, but the market's not going higher, which is exactly what I want to see. So I'm just waiting to see if we can come out of this area bearish.
Yeah. Yvonne, I'd be a little careful only because we just retested the news wick where we double bottomed and we definitely held that area. So I don't know. We just look really, really bearish on NQ. And YM, if YM's going to continue rallying, it's only going to make NQ continue to sell lower, in my opinion.
How was Yvonne texting in the chat? If he, oh, he's okay. He's
you
probably
don't have
listening
to be
to us on
in
YouTube.
the.
Yeah. He's probably listening to us on YouTube and texting in the Discord. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. You don't got to be in the channel to text, but.
Yeah, we're struggling right here, but I mean, again, ton of buying coming into the area up here. Justin's famous words before we dump, right? So I'm gonna take a short right here. Put my stop above this high. No, don't fucking freeze my tape right now. All right, I'm short YM 41094. Stops are at 112. Target destination unknown. I'm just kidding. Target is where all that buying came out. First target is going to be 41,000 flat. Next target is going to be 40,813. Just need to get through these lows at 047, and we should push down.
Yeah, we're just continuing to come down. See if we reverse here, though. So this is 50%. Yeah, we're tapping range of the 50% right there too. NQ looking mighty bullish right here. Mighty bullish.
Are you still in your runners?
No, I got stopped out.
Oh, okay.
I got stopped out for 30 points on the runner.
Again, more aggressive buying coming in at these highs, but we're just not breaking. So as long as that buying is coming in, I just want to see sellers just kind of break the backs of the buyers up here, start taking some profit, and then kind of put us in profit. If we get what we want, I'll be looking to take profit at 40,965. If not, I'll take this loss and be done for the day. Because I'm only going to look to short this. Right, like there's no way I'm gonna buy into the idea that we're gonna rally another 200 points. So if I take this L, then I'll just be done for the day.
Yeah, it looks like we.
Everybody's green on the day. Everybody's this. Oh shit! Everybody ate today. Everybody ate. Everybody's full. I'm looking to take shorts on YM right now, but I'm in shorts on YM right now.
NQ smoothing.
Bro, I jumped in that shit. I had to get in. I tried to short that shit this morning. I took a loss, and then I was like, okay, clearly I'm wrong. So let's adjust the thesis here. So I took the loss, and I saw the entry on the order flow inside the macro. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just jump in long right here. Like, I think it's going higher. I'm just seeing too much buying. And I jumped in and I printed 102 points on the damn thing. I got out because I was trailing. I was like, shit, we're in no man's land. I don't know how high we can go. I got out and I was like, well, fuck. This shit ran another 150 points. I was like, okay. It looked like it wants to do the same thing on me today. So shorts ain't the move on YM today, guys. Stay away. Stay away. Let's see if they take this high. If they take this high, I'm just I'm fucking done for the day. More buying at those lows, which is exact opposite of what I want to see. But let's see if we fail at these highs again. Let's see if that seller wants to protect his position. Oh, you had blue balls like Justin's shirt?
It's funny because
it happens, man. It happens.
ES or NQ and YM are doing like the exact opposite.
Yeah. NQ looks like it's ready to go up. YM looks like it's ready to take at least a breather. Like, I'm not asking for much, bro. Like, I'm just asking you to take a break, bro. We get it. You can move 1% in 2 hours. We get it, bro. Like, we get it. Relax. Not getting long up here. I said that last time. This shit was just like, yeah, 500-point rip. Get out of the way. Hobbit. I don't know. Risk is managed. I like the idea. I really like the fact that we keep failing to take the high. I hate the fact that we keep aggressively buying the low. I think she wants to come down though. See what happens. If we can take this wick, if we can finally get underneath this wick, it'll be a very good thing. But the tape is diverging. Oh my God, it's so fucking bullish. Stop. You see why it's tape, Justin? It's crazy.
Yeah, there's a lot of selling.
Right. No, it looks bullish. You see that fucking divergence down there? I just need failure at the highs. As long as we keep diverging at the highs, like, I'll be good with it. But, yeah.
Here goes NQ.
Oh, dude. Oh, damn, it's about to hit your profit target.
Yeah, it's all good.
My thumb behind, check the weather app. Oh, okay, wait. All right, come on, take the low. Do your damn job, man. Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Oh,
yeah, we still cannot get above.
I walk away, man. This shit's gonna drive me fucking crazy. I'll be back. I'm gonna go check on my daughter, make sure she's doing her chores.
No, I'm flat. I got stopped out of my NQ longs. Mm-hmm. The moon. Yeah, we out of here. And the ES is strong as shit. Let's go, Trista. Yeah, we're probably coming right back up. Should got back in. Gold off the building. Yeah. This candle's crazy.
I eat too many sweets. Oh my God. I'm stopped out, done for the day, guys.
Yeah, I think we're
YM wants higher, clearly. Or it wants to drop from here. They just want to keep going. YM's up 1% on the day. It's just crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, NQ's going for it.
Well, NQ outperformed YM. I mean, YM outperformed NQ. So YM is pushing 1%. It's looking like it wants to have a 2% day. I don't know. I haven't traded YM long enough to know how far it moves, but I thought 1% was a lot. I think I'm about to be proven wrong. I think YM's about to be like, yeah. I don't think I've seen YM do this, but again, I haven't studied it, so I don't. It's only up 1%, so if it's just gonna have like a 2% day, this thing's about to have some fireworks today. All right, ladies and gents, here comes ES pushing all-time highs. Mm-hmm. YM shutting Hobbs up. Said, "Shut the fuck up, Hobbs." Yeah, we are going moving. All right. Okay, that's it for me. You're still on, Justin, or you got in?
No, yeah. I didn't get back in. I got stopped out, and I'm just watching it rally.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. I'm not going to sit here and look at these charts all day. This was a great trading session. Yes, we can hear you. I heard you, Malik. What do you want me to say? Can you hear me? Yes, I hear you just fine. No, I'm talking to you. I was literally just talking to Pip. Then why the hell are you acting like I'm the person that's not listening? You're clearly the person that's not listening to anybody. It's not me that's not listening, it's you. He's like, yeah, I wasn't paying attention to you. I was looking at my trade. It's like, I'm sorry. Like, okay. Anyway, ladies and gents, that is it for the Trader Shop. One for three for me. green on the day. That's all really that matters at the end of the day. Started off in the wrong direction, got in the right direction, went back in the wrong direction, but gave myself enough room to stay green on the trade, even if I lost. I like what I saw. The market just wants to go higher, and I'm cool with that. But at the same time, mentally, I know what I'm going to want to do all day. I'm going to want to short this, right? I'm not going to want to look to get long, and that may be the wrong thing. But I also know myself as a trader well enough to know that when I start to get a bias like that and the market's not agreeing, it's time for me to walk away. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. That is all for me on the day, locked in almost about 70 something points on YM after giving back 20 or so. But Justin, what you got?
Yeah, I was one for. I was like 1 for 3, I guess. Maybe 1 for 2. I don't know. I took one loss and one small win, and then a really nice win. I don't know. I think I secured roughly maybe about like an average of about 40ish points on NQ. So it was a good day for me too. Yeah, I think the lesson for today is patience. So
Yes, sir. All right, man. Ladies and gents, I hope you guys have a great day. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Again, if you're interested in joining the Discord or just helping out the channel, hit the like and subscribe button, and obviously, use those links. I can see you. Wait a minute. Thank you guys so much for tapping into the Trader Shop. My daughter. Thank you guys so much for tapping into the Trader Shop. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs, and we'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.